Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file trademark application, updated. Begin by choosing a distinctive mark and narrowing your goods or services classes right away. Run a thorough USPTO search and note potential conflicts before you draft the application. Gather specimens showing real use and choose the correct filing basis so your path is clear and efficient throughout the process. In this video, I will explain how to file trademark application, updated. Run a detailed test search for exact and confusingly similar marks to reduce refusal risk. Prepare high-quality specimens that show the mark used in commerce, such as labels, packaging, or website screenshots with dates. Keep records of first-use dates and advertising to support your filing basis, and respond confidently to office actions when needed. In this video, I will explain how to file trademark application, updated. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical guidance, consider the book The Simple Path to Wealth for easy financial perspective that pairs well with building a brand. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Check the description for the link and special deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to file trademark application, updated. Choose the proper filing basis and complete the TEAS form with accurate owner and goods or services descriptions. Pay the filing fee and file with clear specimens if filing on use in commerce. Watch your email and the trademark status and document retrieval system for updates, and prepare prompt, factual responses to any office actions to keep your application moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.